Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to react to Hungry Birds 2. It's about feathery friends eating pigs. And I didn't notice they like pork. They like to eat pork, so. Without further ado, let's get started for today's reaction.
Pardon me, good sir, but could you point me in the direction of the nearest ham?
Here's ham. That's creepy.
3 servings of ribs are on the menu. Let's eat!
That's cannibalism. Okay, that doesn't count as cannibalism. Eat eggs? That counts as cannibalism.
You can't have bacon without eggs.
Okay, let's see what this is. Think about eggs? That's just wrong. Well, that'll do for today's reaction. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll check you later. Adios.